Hi guys, it's Mackenzie and Megan on the cheer bus on the way to the football game. I'm taking this Total Takeaway bubble mask and a flat foundation brush and just applying it. It tickles a lot, but you know, 10 out of 10 would experience again. Then I'm taking this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, putting that all over the lids. I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill palette and a random fluffy brush. I'm being stared at. There was that weird noise again, but here's a light brown shade, putting that as a transition shade. I'm still being stared at. Oh my god, help. Then I'm going to take a little bit of a darker brown and put that over top into the crease. No big deal. Then I'm going to take this brick red and kind of put that on the outer part of my crease and blend that in really, really well. Pick up a flat-ish fluffy brush and highlighting my brow bones. I don't know why I didn't go ahead and highlight my inner corners. I think I do those a little later, but I'm going to take this Stila liquid eyeshadow stuff or whatever in the color diamond something. I don't remember. I'll put it in the description, but I'm taking a flat slanted brush, just putting that on my eyelids. I'm being blinded by somebody's phone reflecting in the sun. What's good? Crunchy. My whole eye itches. Oh, I'm taking my NYX black eyeliner and doing a mediocre wing. Now I'm highlighting my inner corners because I'm a stupid chick, whatever. I'm gonna look for a brush. Okay, I'm taking a small flat brush and taking, I don't even know what color I'm using, I'm so sorry. Like a light brown, and just putting that near my lash line. And now I'm taking yawn. I'm taking that diamond stuff and just putting it back in the middle, but it didn't look very good, so just totally disregard that. And I'm taking my Tarteist mascara and just applying that on the top and bottom. Okay, what was that? I'm taking out a makeup remover and wiping off that mask. This is definitely not the right way to do it, and I probably just counteracted everything, but it's fine. I've taken my e.l.f. purple primer and just applying that everywhere. Ignore the lighting change, it was so bad. and it's gonna get even worse. I'm pretty sure I changed the lighting like 40 times, but that's chill too. Yeah, I changed it right now. Okay, so I'm taking my Revlon foundation, like colorstay foundation. I think the color is Buff, and then I totally forget that I have some green concealer that I'm gonna put under my eyes, my T-zone, and basically everywhere because I'm sunburnt and breaking out. What's good? So I'm just gonna blend that in with the worst beauty blender ever. See, another lighting change apparently. I'm blending this foundation in, and yeah, just blending it in everywhere. And about to change the lighting. There we go. This is, I'm pretty sure, the one I decided on. It was just really garbage. You can hear me patting. You have little pats. Okay, I'm taking my Airspun loose setting powder and just a big fluffy brush and putting that everywhere. And now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade. Yeah, I just put those on. I totally skipped it because that was awkward as heck. It was the color blonde, but I'm taking my Jeffree Star velour lipstick in Gemini and just applying that on my mouth. Then I'm going to take my Sephora contour in the color Los Cabos number something, I don't even remember, and a random brush. I'm pretty sure I switched brushes here in a second because this one just did not do the job, but it's whatever. Yeah, I did. That was rough. Gonna switch just to contouring out my cheekbones a little and the temples of my forehead, and I do it on my nose, but like you literally can't even tell because it's just pathetic. Okay. Then I'm gonna take my Anastasia highlighting brush and my e.l.f. highlighter and just apply that to my, right there. I think, I'm gonna make stupid faces and yawn. I put it on my nose and my Cupid's bow, and that's it. Here's me making more stupid faces and pretending I'm pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, follow me on everything.